Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. What do you do when the person you fear most walks straight into the house you were finally starting to trust? In the latest episode of Svadigam Sensen, that is exactly where Dickel's nightmare begins. Farman's sudden arrival does not just create tension inside the elder mason. It tears open every wood the family through it had hidden. The house turned into a battlefield of silence, suspicion, and emotional blackmail. Dickel, who had already been carrying pain, guilt, and fear for so long, suddenly finds herself trapped once again in a place where every corridor feels dangerous. And the cruelest part is that this is not just about one man showing up. This is about power. This is about the past, refusing to stay buried. As secrets around Insi being to surface and Iset's anger explodes in a way we have never truly seen before. Dickel is left standing in the middle of a family collapse that she never creates but somehow keeps getting blamed for. Erkan tries to hold everything together, but this time even he looks like a man being crushed from both sides. On one side is his family's future, and the worst part is that they may not be able to save both. But makes this episode hit so hard is that Dickel does not fall apart loudly. She cares everything inside, and that quiet suffering makes every scene heavier. Then comes the devastating emotional blow. A truth from the past shakes her so deeply that for the first time she seems truly lost, as if she no longer knows where to stand, who to trust, or how to protect herself. This episode was not just dramatic, it was suffocating. And if this is what the storm looked like before the next chapter, then what comes next may destroy the fragile bond Dickel and Erkan were only just beginning to rebuild. Viewers, like my video and subscribe my channel.